Want to make your Discord server's member list look incredibly stylish, vibrant, and organized? Discord allows community owners to display custom mini icons right next to usernames according to their server roles. Welcome back to Techavro. Today, we are setting up role icons step by step to categorize your VIPs, moderators, and community members. Let's upgrade your visual hierarchy. To set this up, you must be a server administrator and have a boosted server level or community features active. Open your Discord desktop app, click your server name header at the top left corner and go to server settings. Inside the administration sidebar, click on roles. Here, select the specific role you want to customize like moderator, VIP or gamer. Under the display tab, look for the section labeled role icon. Click on choose image to upload a small clean PNG icon like a shield for moderators or a crown for owners, or pick a custom emoji from your server's list. Once selected, scroll down and make sure the option display role members separately from online members is toggled on. Click the green Save Changes button at the bottom margin. Now look at your server member list on the right side. Every member assigned that role will feature a mini icon next to their name and be cleanly categorized under their own distinct header group. If this visual customization guide helped level up your server presentation, hit that like button, subscribe to Techavro for more clean tech guides, and I'll see you in the next one.